392 right here. They done got the whole daggone highway blocked off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. I want to ask y'all a question. Every time you see another Mopar, do you automatically step on it so they can hear your exhaust? Every time I'm riding in my car, right? I hope that just sunroof ain't too loud. Every time I'm riding in my car and another Charger, like a Scat Pack or something, pull up beside me, first thing they start doing is revving their engine. or they ride by me real fast, like they want me to know they got a loud exhaust. Bro, I already know, man. You in the Scat or Hellcat, I already know you got a loud exhaust. So y'all leave comments, man. Let me know, do they do that to you? People do that to y'all when y'all rolling in your Scat or your Hellcat or your RT. So even in my RT, people used to pull up beside me and rev their engine. I guess trying to let me know that they got a loud exhaust.
Later that same evening.
I don't know what's going on, y'all, but they got the street all blocked off. I see this 392 right here. I don't know what's going on. In the back, you got a Charger back there. I just pulled up. They done got the whole daggone highway blocked off. I don't know if these fools was racing or what. See, this is stuff I be talking about, man. Now I see people coming this way. Look at that Mustang, look. I don't know what these idiots doing, man. This the stuff that be hot, bro. There's some people going that way. Look like a bunch of racers, man. These Bibles, man. I'm telling you, bro, never fail. Look at these fools. Bunch of V6s, 4 cylinders out here. Got traffic all backed up. This is a matter of time the police gonna come. Look. Look at these Bibles. This is about the time the police gonna come, man. It is. I don't know what's going on. I ain't got nothing to do with it. It was about the time. Look, there they come on this side. Look. What's going on up there? Something had to happen up here. Something happened. I see all these marks up here. It look like somebody's doing burnouts or something. Man, ain't no telling, bro. Look at all them cars up there. I don't know if y'all can see all that up there. They must have some kind of meat up there. I'm trying to zoom in. This is crazy, bro. Hope we can get up here closer and maybe we can see what happened. Look at this junk. Look at this Bama car, bro. This is crazy, man. These fools had the whole highway blocked. Police over there. Now, maybe it was some kind of organized event. I don't know, but there gonna look like a bunch of cars right there. That's crazy. Yeah, a bunch of V6s, man. Nothing wrong with V6s, but dang, man, y'all shut down the whole highway. See a couple V8s over there. Yeah, it had to be some kind of event. Uh-oh. I ain't got nothing to do with it, sir. That Bible got everything on his car. Uh-oh. Yeah, that gotta be a V6. That don't sound like a V6. It must have been some kind of event, because for the police to be posted up like that, it looked like they was locking anybody up or chasing somebody. So it probably was some kind of organized event. Look at the V6 guy. I guarantee somebody gonna try to pull up beside me, put this jump in sport mode just in case Obama try me. You know what I'm saying? In case somebody jump out there. Y'all know I don't be doing no street racing. But I ain't gonna let no Bama, no V6 Camaro do nothing. Yeah, see, they going all the way up there. What that don't say? It's a STI. Dang, I can't even get to where I'm going, bruh. Got the streets all crazy. I don't know, man. Man, I got some slick lights on this Camaro though. Don't just sound like crap. Shit, got the police. They must be pulling people over. Oh, they got somebody pulled over. And caught them bombs. Oh, it's an accident. Look like. Oh damn! Oh, that's an accident. He done crashed all the way up in there. Somebody on the ground over there, bro. That's crazy. He had to be going the wrong way or something. Oh, that's what it was. An accident on top of the daggone car meet. Wow. Yeah, guys. I don't know. I thought it was just a car meet or something, man. Somebody actually crashed. And the guy was laying on the ground. That's crazy. I don't know if y'all saw that. And this truck was all the way up on the hill and facing the wrong way. I'm trying to tell you, man. You know, it probably looked like, man, it was an older guy, man. He must have had like a medical emergency or something, man. I pray that he all right, man. Ain't nobody else get hurt. But that's crazy, man. Just go to show you, man. You got... Every day ain't promised, man. If I tell y'all, man, live your life, man. Do what you gonna do, bro. Because we on borrowed time, man. You just never know. Make sure y'all stay on y'all grind, man. Do your thing. You know what I'm saying? Dang, that's crazy.